guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're here by our John Deere B, and we're going to be taking the serial number tag off. That way we can put a new one on when we repaint the tractor. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. Guys, we're going to take a center punch here and punch it in the center of the rivet. That way we can get it out. We do that with both. We got the drill to start drilling it. Alright guys, we're trying to chisel now because it was hard on the drill bits. So we don't know if we're going to get that chisel, but we might. Get it? We got it. Got one more now. Alright guys, we're doing it on the second one now. We got it. Alright guys, we gotta get the little piece out and block like that way it's not stuck in there, that way we can get the new one and then we can solder it. Guys, we got the little metal pieces in these holes drilled out, and we got them nice and even now. That way we can get the new serial tag on for our John Deere. Alright guys, well that's all we're going to do on our John Deere for today. And if you like the John Deere restoration videos, go check out all the other videos in the John Deere B restoration playlist. Then you'll see all the stuff we did before we started doing this. But anyways, that's going to be it for today's video. If you like these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!